In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch your Microsoft PowerPoint app. Let's open a document. This is the usual interface of PowerPoint. To change it to dark mode, in the title bar, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Options. In the General tab, you can see an option called Office Theme. Click on it. There are two versions of dark mode available here. One is dark gray and the other one is black. Let's see the dark gray first. Click on OK. Here is the dark gray version. Now let's see the other one. Go to the theme option just like before. This time let's select black, which is known as the traditional dark mode. Click on OK. Here you can see that PowerPoint is now in dark mode completely.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.